Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can link your PicsArt account with Instagram. To link PicsArt account to Instagram, first of all, open up the PicsArt application from your mobile device. Or you can also go ahead and open a web browser and sign in to your PicsArt website. Once you're inside the main homepage for PicsArt, click on the human icon at the bottom right-hand corner. From this page, click on Edit Profile. Scroll down from your profile page and at the bottom you will be able to see Instagram on Profile option. Enter your Instagram username in the text box and then click on Done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to link your PicsArt account to Instagram. Now, go back by tapping on the arrow at the top left and from your profile page, tap on the Instagram link that you just entered at the top left. Enter your email address, username or mobile phone number and enter your password on the next field. After you are done entering your credentials, click on the login button. After you do that, you will then be able to log into your Instagram account as well. So that is how you will be able to link Instagram with PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.